Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to lock Facebook profile. So let me show you an easy way to lock your Facebook profile. Keep in mind that not all countries have the profile lock feature. If you don't see it on your account, you can still manually adjust your privacy settings to achieve a similar level of protection. First, open Facebook app or go to facebook.com and sign into your account. Tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Then click your profile or name at the top to open your profile. Now from here, click the three dots in the top right. Then from here, select profile and tagging settings. So review all the settings in this section. And for any option that allows it, select only me and save your changes. So as you can see, all of this is set to only me. So also this. So everything is set to only me. After updating those settings, return to your profile page, then tap the three dot menu in the top right again. If the feature is available in your country, you'll see a lock profile option beneath View As. Not everyone will have access to this feature, but if it's available, simply tap Lock Profile and follow the prompts to enable it. So even if the profile lock option isn't available, the privacy settings we just changed provide similar protection by limiting who can view your posts, profile information, and tag content. So once you're done, go back. Then from here, scroll down and select settings and privacy. Then select settings. Next, scroll down to followers and public content. Then select it. Now from here, you'll see several options that may be set to public or everyone. So change these settings to friends or for maximum privacy, only me. So go through each option carefully and update them according to your preference. So set it to only me, click on save. So set everything to only me and that's it. I hope you find this helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.